Ram Narayan Ram. Today, the 800 crore people on earth were all born with the same sound, the same vibration. This sound is the cry of a newborn baby. When a child is born, they do not cry saying Hare Krishna or Allahu Akbar. People of all religions, whether Hindu, Muslim, or any other, are born with the same cry, the same sound, not with the voice of their respective religions. We ask all the religious leaders and followers who believe their man-made religions are so special and powerful, why are their children not born with the sound of their religion? When these children are born into different religions, they all cry the same cry with the same sound. Similarly, when they depart from this world, they leave with the same sound, not with the sound of their religion. The pain of all people, regardless of their religion, is the same. Even our first Prime Minister, Jawaharlal Nehru, or our father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi, were not born with a different sound, nor did they die with a different sound. They were born with the same cry, and at the time of death, the sound of suffering was also the same. When Rabindranath Tagore, the Nobel Prize-winning author of the national anthem Jana Gana Mana, passed away, was he singing Jana Gana Mana at the time of his death? Even today, humans fail to understand this. People believe that what we see here is all there is, and nobody knows what happens after death. But the important thing is, if we do not go anywhere after death, then where do we come from? There must be some place where we go, and from where we also return. We need to come together and remove all man-made religions, man-made politics, man-made constitutions, and individual property rights. Instead, we must follow the natural laws of the universe. Every human is a servant of nature. All man-made religions teach us that karma is dharma. However, our great Guru Balak Brahmachari ji says that our job is to meditate, reflect, and adopt principles. We do not perform actions. It is our mind that drives us. When our mind adopts a principle, it is only then that our body follows the mind's instructions and performs actions. The true purpose of religion is to unite us, not divide us. It is to protect and care for everyone. Guru Balak Brahmachari ji further explains that no human performs actions, rather, it is the universe that does. It is nature that has created us, and it is nature that guides us. We have originated from the sky and nature. Everything we have is a gift from the sky and nature. Earth, water, air, and energy, the five elements, are the building blocks of everything. Without them, how would we breathe and survive? Therefore, all actions are through these elements. Humans only reflect and follow principles. Nature created the sky, the universe, and from this creation, we are born. Everything is interconnected. From this, we receive energy, our consciousness is awakened, and our intellect is shaped. Our intellect helps us distinguish between right and wrong. In life, many times, we unintentionally hurt someone or do something wrong, thinking no one is watching us. We think that as long as no one knows, it's okay. But our conscience, our mind, always knows the truth. When we do something wrong, our conscience warns us that it's wrong and we shouldn't do it. Therefore, do not think that no one is watching you. Your conscience and soul are watching you. In today's world, where every person is trapped in confusion and bound by chains, everyone should connect with the name Ram Narayan Ram. Through this mantra, you can remember the entire universe. This mantra contains the entire universe within it. Therefore, keep chanting Ram Narayan Ram and stop worrying about actions and religion. When you connect with this seed mantra, all actions and religion will automatically work in your favor.